on a plane to Georgia. Got a hotel I really can't afford to stay at, but it's paid for, so I bring my bags and a tape recorder. I'm in a cam and a mic, document this land is alright. Kayakata is nice and the bag is inside. Where the other rappers at, are we jamming tonight? Dahil sa hip-hop, nandito na tayo sa Georgia, hanggang na ng buhay. Ang mga kaibigan ay nagpapakita ng totoong kulay. Basta andyan mga tunay, dinala dito kasi ang husay. Just wanna showcase my talent no matter the country, with sounds I hope you like. What are you saying though? Me and my G's here in Southcottville, staying low. It's gonna be chaos, bro. When we tearing the stage up with this crazy flow. Do you do it for the radio? Check all the lottery we're making though. Take that lottery at the 3 and turn it to pesos. Playing that Kayakata, you know love showed me. Ain't nobody hot you know we stay low key. But that Kayakata, you know love showed me. Ain't nobody hot you know we stay low key. Flying out to Georgia today. I know I'm gonna like it. Brought myself and brought my suitcase. I'm ready, I'm excited. I'm flying out to Georgia today. Put it down for the motherland. Brought myself and brought my suitcase. We'll make sure they understand. We got mad, got this great. Homegirl came with the sky cookies. Gonna stroll to the city, that's right. You really that high, feeling that vibe. Tblisi got a nice vibe to it. Yeah, Tbilisi really got a super nice vibe to it. Almost got robbed cause I'm stupid. Went from the airport straight to the studio. I wanna give a piece of my music. Different cultures in the session. Staying busy, no depression. Awesome vibes and never stressing. Thank you Odin for the blessings. Different cultures in the session. Staying busy, no depression. Awesome vibes and never stressing. Thank you Odin for the blessings. Visualizing those street art in the city at night. Living the life. This place really made an impact like a meteorite. Plenty of wine. My D's been getting tipsy since the beginning of time. Really is my first time getting flown out to a country to spit on a mic. Georgia, my global. For having me, I'm just a foreigner. Feeling the vibe, I'm feeling the aura. See you next time when I'm back in Georgia. Georgia, my global. For having me, I'm just a foreigner. Feeling the vibe, I'm feeling the aura. See you next time when I'm back in Georgia. Flying out to Georgia today. I know I'm gonna like it. Brought myself and brought my